We're back with the results of Dan's close-up coins games. 5 coins to guess in this one, and I tricked a few of you off the rip. Some of you went for fencing. This one is off the modern pentathlon. Coin number 2, a coin that everyone guessed correctly. We got the long neck in here. Beatrix Potter, 2016, the most valuable. It's the Benjamin. Nah, that's the most common. It's the Jemima Puddock. Always nice to see. A huge shout out if you found this one. Again, the coin number 3 then, the coin that started off the Dan's Dollars channel. Everyone getting this one correctly. 50 different pictures on this one. It's the World Wildlife Fund. Again, we're not wrestling no pandas today. Coin number 4 then. It's another Olympic beauty, and well done if you guessed this one correctly. It's not a volcano. It's that of the 50 pence featuring the canoeing from the London coin set. Again, one of 29 Olympic and Paralympic beauties. The coin that got everyone, apart from only 2 people. Yes, you heard that correctly. I tricked you with this one. It's the Stephen Hawking 50p coin, ladies and gentlemen, and not intended for circulation coin. Who were the 2 people then? A huge shout out to Archie MCC McSee, Archie McSee. Silver Bay back 2. 2 of you. A huge shout out. Well done. Well done indeed. We're going to be playing a 15 Guess Dan's coin special this week. Yes, you heard that correctly. Prizes will be up for grabs in that one, so do stay tuned. It is not going to be easy. I can promise you that. Again, a well done to our 2 winners. Well done indeed. Well done on guessing that. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for